Hi, welcome to TradeAnalyticsLive.com. My name's Scott Mason, and today is Monday. Happy Monday, everybody. Looking at three stocks today that we caught pretty early. We got everybody in the chat room exposed to these plays during the strategy session at 9 a.m., which we do every single day. And we capitalized again 3 for 3. So let's look at the first one here, BIDU, and we'll dissect them play by play and show you how we did it, how we booked the profits, and then moved on to the next trade. So BIDU this morning was gapping down, and it was gapping down right into about 112.75. We had a buy trigger above 113.25, 113.50 to start a position. Then once it got above 114, adding more for a nice power move up to 115. The high a day was 115 and a quarter. So we took about $1.50, $1.75, and then booked our profits on the BIDU. We're actually very optimistic on the stock above 117. So from the 114 level to 117, we're looking to take some profits and then wait for the big power move setup with a nice wide range volume bar pushing through the 117, because the long-term swing trade target is going to be closer to 122. So BIDU, we capitalized on it really good this morning. Caught some nice action in a down market, and look for that red to green trade. Busted through the 114, and then boom, we got our trade on that one. So let's look at the next one, which was a ChartLogix play today, which is ELLI. You see this elongated wedge pattern here. It gapped down this morning with the market right into support around 26.25. We entered the position just like the commentary said this morning into the ChartLogix during the 9 o'clock game plan strategy. So position started at 26 and a quarter, added more above 26.60. And then just took a quick trade up into 27.20. Okay, there wasn't a lot of volume in the stock, and we really weren't getting a lot of bounce to the upside in the market. So we just took a nice little quick, 60, 70 cents out of the stock. Really, the big move is going to be when it breaks out of the 28.50, 29 area for a trade up into about 32.33. So that hasn't happened yet. The stock will remain on our radar until it happens, and it'll probably start tightening up right in this area maybe the next week, and we'll get another trade out of it as it goes topside. So that's stock number 2. And then stock number 3 is NFLX. Continuation play. We had a code red here above 64 last week. Okay, took a trade into 67, and then here we are 2 days later, and the stock gapped up by 4 points. We didn't trade it right away, but we let it set up intraday for a nice little bull flag and got involved on the pullback. It looked like, the stock got up to about $72 and pulled all the way back to 70 if we take it to a 5-minute time frame. And I'm going to show you how we actually got involved in this stock and executed perfectly. You can see here the stock ran right into 72, got involved on the pullback right here, right into 70. Took a trade against 70 with a stop, with a 25-cent stop, and got in it very, very quickly, and within 10 minutes the stock got all the way back up to 72. So took a $2 trade on NFLX, executed 3 different trades on this one actually. Okay, call options, we're on the call options and on the stock itself. So took a trade into 72, waited for it to get back above 72, took another trade from 72 up to 73 just for another quick cash flow trade. And you can see how the stock is just kind of stair-stepping its way higher on an intraday. And now what we're looking for is to maybe get back involved on another pullback. So I'm looking at some support. If the stock, because we've already been in it 3 times and profited every single time, we don't want to force a trade, but if the stock comes back down and gives us another opportunity against 72 on lighter volume, that would be an area where we'll get back involved in the stock and see if we can catch a trade back up to 73 or maybe even 73.50. Okay, so 3 for 3. Pretty good Monday so far. Everybody in the chat room did really well. I got to say I'm very proud of all of our members for sticking to the strategies. We log in at 9 a.m., we go over 5 plays, we go over some of the plays that you guys are looking at, and I got to hand it to you. You guys have been very disciplined and very patient with your approach and capitalizing in this very difficult market. So congratulations, and again, my name's Scott Mason, TradeAnalyticsLive.com. See you tomorrow, Tuesday, 9 a.m. Have a good day. Thanks.